Okay guys, as we said in the other video, I just saw some of my friends dropping on YouTube the various animated videos or kind of display they made for Christmas. So I just thought of doing something for you all. So we're gonna just write on to to check some snippets online. Like I already went online, like I checked this snippet just by searching. This one here is like drawing Santa on snippets, and this one over here you can see is doing some kind of result. You see it's glooming lights, glooming lights, glooming lights. So let's say you see, wow, what a pretty animation over here, man. How did you do that? Oh my god. Like, you have the code here, absolutely amazing, amazing. Damn. So we are not into animations too much on this, but we're just gonna design something that looks great actually for everyone, like saying a Merry Christmas. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go that we open our browser. Oh, sorry, just create a folder over here. Like you go to new options. I'm using Windows 10 version, that's why mine looks kind of different. Let's just say Merry Christmas. So okay, we'll just keep it over here. So we're gonna open our code editor over here. Okay, so on our code editor, go to file. In file, we go to open folder. So on the open folder section, we're gonna click on desktop, and then we just say MMC. That's what we're using. So click select folder. So the folder normally initially is empty, nothing is present in the folder actually as of now, but we're going to be creating files in it. So the first file we're going to create is the index, sorry, I mean caps down, is the index.html, and then we're going to create the styles, sorry, not styles with a style.css, enter. So what's happening? I don't know, understand. Okay. So this is what we have here. We have an index file and a styles file. So here we just type doc, we hit enter, we have this. So we can just come over here, we say this is the Christmas animation, not just animation. I know it's not an animation, but let's just slash dashboard for Christmas only. So over here we're just going to link our style sheet. We just say link, since we're using Visual Studio Code style.css, that's okay. So now we head over to the body section. We're just gonna create a dot container div, and in this we have a dot, let me say we want to put another div in this div. Let's just say dot main. Okay, we have this div now. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is like we want to go online. Okay, let's just first of all write like an h1 tag that says Merry Christmas. Okay, Merry Christmas. And we want to go over down here and we say like an h2 tag, and we say did Santa visit you, question mark. Okay, we're gonna say in a paragraph P, we hit enter, and then we're gonna say, let me just say Control Z, and then I want to say if Santa did not visit you, please click the button below. Okay, so if Santa did not visit you, click the button below, and blam. So we're gonna put here a btn button blah 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 with an id let's say btn. So in this btn we'll just say click if Santa was home. Okay, click me. Okay, click me. Well, we're just gonna save this actually, and we're just gonna view it in a lifesaver. We'll minimize this one, so we have this. Okay, Merry Christmas, Merry, same to you. So okay, we come to Google Fonts. Wanna like increase like add functionality in terms of fonts to it. So previously you saw the kind of blah 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 font that was present there. You guys saw the font that was there. So we're gonna look for a font that looks almost like, wow, like this one is kind of sans-serif. Yeah, sans-serif. Sorry for saying sans-serif, but it looks kind of same. So we're just gonna come and click on the import over here. So when you click on the import, you can use this code throughout your code, but when you just click on the the link key by copying that code, the first one that comes with the link, you just link to particular portions of your codes. Like so here I can just come over to the styles.css, I paste it here, okay, and then I just come over to here. I just come and copy this, like Control C, and wait, I think I did an error somewhere because I had to like select this. Yeah, so in here I'm gonna be copying this also, this import. So I'm gonna be copying the import and I'm gonna be pasting the import over here, and then over here again, this last font family is what I'm gonna be using actually. So I'm gonna Control C, and then here I like say, I don't know if something is here like this. I say body, I say okay, I just paste it here. I save it, and then we'll open here and view what we got. Okay, so God, Merry Christmas. Did Santa visit you? If yes, if Santa did visit you, please click the button below. Okay, so we are close to the target, we are close to the track. So the next thing we're gonna be doing now is like, we're gonna be bolding like the paragraph. Let's just say let P, or the P tags. Since we have just one paragraph, we're just gonna say font weight. So we go down to font weight. We say bolder. Let's make it bolder. So, and then we're gonna just come down here. We say we target the H1, H2 tags, and we just say color should be red, and we boom, Merry Christmas. So we have that, and then we want the p-tags colors should be blue, like blue, you know, Christmas is always a blue, white, something, so or green. Yeah, we just say color should be green, something like green, like this green, and you have this, and then okay, we have this. So we're just gonna have to come down here and we say the dot container, right, and we say display, give it a flex, justify content center, align items center, flex direction column, and then we save it. So I have something like this here. Fortunately, we have something like this. Okay, so we come to the main, we give it a border, we say 2 pixels, solid gray, save, and we're gonna give it a height and a width actually. So this one here, The container should have a width of 100% and a height of 100 VH. Okay. We have a height of 100 VH, and then here we just kind of say we have to have let's say a width of 300 pixels. Let's save and see. Okay, let's say 400, like 400. 300 is better, and then we give it a height of same 300 pixels, and see what we're gonna have. So it's perfectly perfect. So now what we left to do right now is just to give it a display, sorry about that, display flex, like flexing everything, justify content, center, align items, center. Oh, what did I do? Oh my goodness. And flag. Okay. Ooh, you see that? I mean, this thing over here where I'm hovering the mouse. Yeah, that's bad. Like, so to fix that, you just say flex direction, like flex direction where it's gonna flex. You just choose column and you're gonna save it, and you got the perfect whatever you're looking for, and you got that. So we come to the paragraph, and then we just say align text, align center, the middle. So now we need to start a .btn, like .btn. So what color should the button be? We can't give the button a red color because let's say width should be 50%. It's too long. That one will be too long. Like what? Okay. Okay. Width should be 50%, and then the height should be kind of 50 pixels. 10 pixels. Two different things. Like .btn. What's happening? Like seriously? I have to come back here. .id. Click me. Like what's happening with the ID? .btn. Oh, I forgot I gave it an ID, not a class. So the width should go down to 30 pixels. Where is the height? And then border none, color white. Oh, we just missed the click me. Oh my god, oh my god. So what can we do to fix that? We'll just say background color should be red, like red. Yeah, red. We are giving the background color of red, so when you click him you get a red color. So we can just come here and we say we paste it, font family there. So click me changes, and we go down again. Like the color ain't clear actually, and it's not visible. Like it's not visible. Font size should be larger, like you want it big. Click me. I want the font weight should be like so we got the font weight border. And okay, so right now what we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna be giving a border radius of about 10 pixels for sure, and we just carve the thing. So we just give it a cursor pointer also for the button, and we say cursor So we got this being a pointer. So we come down here to the main. Give it a border radius of 10 pixels and see what we got. It looks in form of a car. When you look at it, it's like ooh. So we have this in form of a Christmas card. Merry Christmas. Did Santa visit you? If Santa did not visit you, please click the button below. And Santa didn't visit me, so I think I should click this button below, and I just clicked it. Nothing happened, but we'll be adding some more functionality to it. And let's just say Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I will search for some Christmas, and then we look for some Christmas pictures. I'm recording my thing. Copy address link to the image, and then okay. So what we are doing over here right now is like we are looking for an image to add an animation to it. So, and finally I found this nice looking image with a cap. So I'm just gonna copy the image address, like copy link address, and copy it over here. So we dive over back here, we come here. Now we're gonna create an index.js, sorry, scripts.js. Okay. Whew. I'm already tired, but I have to finish this. So just say scripts, let's see. Okay, it's a JS file. Like we just say documents dot get element by ID. Let's say btn. Okay. So what I'm doing here now, I want to get the the button itself, the button element. So let me just say var btn should be equals to document.get element by id, and that id is btn. So right now we're gonna be like come back here in the index.html. We're gonna insert an element here, and then like an image tag normally. So the image will be here. We just say img actually. So the img, we're just gonna click enter, put the link, like save it, and we are not getting anything over here. I think we didn't copy that image actually. Like we need to like open the image, and then we'll like click on it. We just copy image address. Okay, I made a mistake. I said when I copy link address, not image address. So Control Z V S, and boom, we got a picture. Merry Christmas, twing 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 twing. Okay. We're gonna even, okay, let's just go and say img id img Control S. So Right onto our CSS now. We want to style that image, make the image even look like nothing. So we just say img, okay, dot img, sorry, dot, oh sorry, it's a hashtag img. So I'm gonna be giving a width of 50% and then a height of 50 pixels. So oh my goodness. So what about giving it a height of 100 pixels? Not still enough. 200 pixels. Okay, 200 pixels is perfectly fine. Like, it's perfectly fine. Then we'll give him a margin. Let us secure this guy with a margin of 10 pixels, and look at him now. Wow, he's lying alone cool at that particular position. Okay, so we want to hide this image. We're just gonna say display none, like it disappeared. Okay, we want to make it in such a way that when you click the button click me, it displays that image below. So we'll write over to the to the JS like we took it. So we just say btn.add event listener, and then we want to specify that this event listener is click. So the JS event handlers, they are waiting for anytime this button is clicked, and whenever the button is clicked, this function here will be implemented. Okay, so what is the function all about? The function just want to say like document, oh no, okay, you just want to say var img should be equals to document dot get element by id, and this id is img. So we want to get that element img, and then we just say img dot size dot display should be equals to default. So it seems not to be working. So when I click this button on code reference on the side, find HTML button anonymous script line 3, and line 3 is talking about var img document to get element by id. Okay, let's check it out. So img because the document get element by id img, and over here so we have id img. We start using img and it worked. Okay, I found out the problem, what was causing it. Like, it was just in the spelling of document over here. So we have it working perfectly right now. So we just like, we have something that is telling us that Merry Christmas. Did Santa visit you? If Santa did not visit you, please click the button below. So normally it's, let me refresh the page. This is the initial point of it, like it's like this. So you started in OVC2, click this button. When you click the button, the image displays. That's just all about this. So okay, so thank you very much for watching and following up this coding tutorial. So we just coded a mere Christmas card that asks you a question. If you did not, they can give you a button to click, and when you click the button, so we can add another button to this button here, or actually, yeah, to add the functionality where you can click one to display, one to redisplay that. Okay, so like let's just add the functionality there and make it look cool. Okay, so we're just gonna come over here to the index.html, like we copy this button over here, right? We just copy, Control C, like we V back, and then this one ID should be like btn2. We save it. Okay, so we just come over here to the style section, and we just come here, put a comma, we say dot btn2. What's happening? Okay, I'm always messing up with all this stuff and blah blah blah. So let's just come here, reset. Okay, so we're just gonna say stars. Okay, so we just have dot div, and then these two buttons, like we need them in there so that like me. I'm enjoying this actually, like I don't have to say it but div. Oh, what a funny name. I just say it should be 100%. I love that. I just want to say justify content, like justify content center. Just to say display flex, display flex, align items center. So right now we don't have the click me displaying, so we just have to come here and give the margin, like the margin between every element of 10, or sorry, 5 pixels, like, and then we're gonna give them more width, like 40%, 40. Let's see. Okay, click me is back. So we want it in such a way that when we click me, we display, click this, we'll reset it. So it's just the same. You just have to come over here. You can just say like document, oh sorry, we say var btn2 should be equals to document dot get element by id, with the which the id is btn2, and we just say btn2 dot act event listener. We are still waiting on the click function or the click event, whereby when it is clicked, this function over here has to propagate like act. So we're just gonna copy this very stuff over here. So Control C, paste it over here, and like the style, the normal inline. So this one will be none, like yeah. You can put display block. So we have this, 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 we have this.
Hey, wait, now new privacy.
Okay guys, so I thank you very much for following up the tutorials, and now we have come to the end of the session as I run you through the code. So it's just a little bit of JavaScript that we have in the code. Like you see what we have here. Go to the index.html file. Just like the index.html file just have from here, I'm sure, to here, just about 1 2 3 close to 12 lines of code. The CSS can carry a bit more, just close to 56 lines, and you have here just 10 lines, of course, and you have what you have over there. So we just HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript, we can design something for Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you all out there. Good celebration to you all, and I just pray and hope that everybody will be there to follow all my tutorials on my channel CODEwithCREST. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please leave click on the subscription button below and click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video, because this is just a video I did for Christmas, and there are new videos that are coming sooner. I'm currently working on a video that will be dropping soon that will be termed like the roadmap to becoming a software developer in like 6 months. Yeah, so this tutorial that I'll be dropping forward is like be giving you the hints and highlights of what you can study so far as software development is concerned. So I'm in front-end development actually, so as of now we are just concentrated on being front-end developers. So after the front-end developers, we can pick up some back-end development courses, learn, get certificate, and from there we can move forward. So I will be dropping my video soon on my channel. As you can see, my channel over here is still blank, no video on my channel. Still loading. So CODEwithCREST is just something. Okay, it's a coding channel, so this is like I just have barely 14 subscribers even. So I just bet you all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so, subscribe to this channel, for I will be giving you good content concerning coding. Like you really learn while working with me, and I'll also learn from you. You should always comment, like, share the videos, and make it just go viral, let many people learn from us. So like, thank you all. This is the channel over here, no video content yet, so we're just gonna write up here. This is the code that we have, the little code that performs all this functionality over here. So okay, I'm sorry about the width. Like, let me adjust the width. Like I did it. Let me say the width should be same as height. So the img width should be 200 pixels. Oh, what did I do? Okay, so you see, click me, reset, click me, reset, click me, reset, click me, reset. So basically that's all about it. So thank you all, see you next time.